It's Wednesday, January 25th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And according to most analysts, this should be it for interest rate hikes in the effort to tame inflation. The Bank of Canada boosting its key lending rate by a further 25 basis points. The new rate pegged at 4.5%, the highest it's been since 2007. Another shot just fired in the long-running Can-Am lumber trade dispute. While Canada challenges U.S. tariffs on our lumber entering the country, the American Commerce Department has decided to tinker with tariff levels again, jacking up their rates for Vancouver-based Canfor and West Fraser timber to 8.25% from 7.29%, while most other producers will see their duties decline slightly from 8.59% to 8.24%. The more you listen, the more you know. Canada's Business Beat is your daily go-to for the business news that impacts you, with listeners in over 20 countries on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Only a few days after announcing the relaunch of Zellers in 25 of its stores across the country, Hudson's Bay is reporting a mass layoff in what it calls a strategic realignment. 250 corporate staff let go. Further to those 12,000 layoffs announced by Alphabet, which owns Google and YouTube, that company is now confirming that its artificial intelligence subsidiary, DeepMind, will be closing its Edmonton office, although some of the staff there are being offered the chance to relocate to DeepMind outlets in Toronto or Montreal. In case you missed it, a key legal victory for Rogers' proposed takeover of Shaw, with the Federal Court of Appeal dismissing the Federal Competition Bureau's challenge of a tribunal ruling approving the merger, the deal now going to a parliamentary public hearing process. And a sharply higher profit at CN Rail, showing a fourth quarter bottom line of $1.42 billion compared to $1.2 billion a year back. Fuel surcharges and the lower Canadian dollar behind the increase. CP Rail earnings due out next week. And that will do it for your Wednesday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.